This is my favorite part of the whole month, every month, is when I get to honor 3 students who are doing some really great things. My first award is going to be for the community. The student I am nominating for the Community Award has only been at our school since September. I think it is truly remarkable how much of a difference this student has made in our community in such a short period of time, and I think it's important that he is recognized. This student is always looking around the room and making sure he is not only meeting the expectation, but also seeing how he can help a friend in need of a role model. Without any hesitation, he is helping students and adults in the classroom seamlessly throughout the day without calling any attention to his kindness. He never looks for rewards for his generosity and helpfulness, and strives to ensure all of his classmates are happy. His happy-go-lucky and hardworking nature is infectious and helps foster a positive and productive learning environment. I have seen him carrying over chairs for students who need one, giving students a hug or comforting them when they are sad, and also handing them school supplies he thinks they could use that he brought in to share. He even asked if he could bring home extra snacks so he can donate them to those in need outside of school. He is always looking for ways to build up our classroom community in the most positive ways and can bring a smile to anyone's face around him. He is one of the most genuine people I have met in my lifetime, and I feel so fortunate to have him in my class. Since his first day of school, I noticed he was unique in all of the greatest ways, and I couldn't wait to get to know him and see all of the wonderful things he could contribute to our community. I want to thank him from the bottom of my heart for making my job so enjoyable to come to school each day. Carlton is so incredibly blessed to have someone like him around. It is without hesitation that I would like to recognize this month's Community Award winner, Brandon Bridges. The next award is our Curiosity Award. We would like to nominate a very special student for the Curiosity Award. Over the first month of the school year, she has shown her engagement as a learner each and every day. Her curiosity for learning is contagious and causes those around her to also want to learn more. During lessons, she is always facing the point of instruction and listening closely to the speaker, whether it be a teacher or another student. The effort she puts into her learning is impressive to watch. She regularly contributes her thinking to academic conversations, and when she is confused with a new math concept, she asks questions to help grow her understanding. She consistently uses the new mathematical vocabulary we are learning when she shares her ideas with others. It is this active engagement and curiosity that has allowed her to make so much progress as a mathematician already this year. During ELA, this student displays a curiosity for learning even when facing a challenge. She always puts forth her best effort to learn more and checks in with a partner or a teacher to make sure she is accurately applying the new learning of the day. We are so proud of this student and believe she is going to grow so much as a learner due to her self-motivation and her curiosity. Keep up the great work. This month, the Curiosity Award goes to Aaliyah Taylor. Finally, it's our Effort Award. We would like to nominate this student for the Effort Award. And I just want you to know this was collaborative with all the teachers upstairs. Every day, we see him trying his best and meeting every expectation. In math, this student perseveres and tries to solve every single problem. He is an engaged learner who actively shares his ideas with other mathematicians. In ELA, the student consistently works to try new things and persevere even when assignments are difficult and complex. This week, we practiced writing poems, and even though it was challenging for the student to put his ideas into poetic structure, he kept working until he got it. Not only does this student show effort in academic subjects, he also shows great effort in supporting the classroom community by helping others and taking care of the materials. We are so excited to see his continued effort grow throughout the year. This month's effort award goes to Kelvin Smith. One more round of applause for all three of our students. At this time, I'm going to call up Coach B because he has an announcement. Coach B.
All right, what I'm up here today to talk about is 5th grade student leadership. And what I want to say to the 5th grade class today is you ought to be very, very proud of yourselves. We were unable, because you guys did so great, we were unable to find just 5 to 10 students to be on our team this year. So, you guys are doing the first ever Carlton School Leadership Program. Okay, can we get a round of applause for that? So you're making a little bit of history, this 5th grade class, which we did tell you we were very excited for this group. So what that means, leadership program, is everybody who applied, all 5th graders who applied, which your applications were amazing. We're going to split you up into 3 groups. Okay, and you guys will find out what those groups are soon. Groups 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to meet on Mondays. Monday mornings we'll start in the gym. Okay, and we're going to go over some different leadership topics and go ahead and help with projects around the school like we normally do. Okay, and we're really excited for this program. We're really excited to see all of you become great student leaders and leaders as we move on from here and out of Carlton. Okay? Thank you.